Obviously, you don't have to tell us too much, but is your future secure in any way? Like, do you at least know what you're doing next year?
Yeah. I mean, I'm happy to say I've secured a deal.
So I'm going to say for me, that's good news. I like Christian Craig. I like his content. I like his personality. I think he's a good rider. And obviously, the 2 years he's had on the Husky have been very unlucky. I mean, anytime you have to have 4 surgeries on the same elbow all the time, off the bike, recovering, and even now, when you look at like pictures of him, he looks lopsided. His right arm is just tiny comparatively. There's no muscle to it. And even he was saying that like he was looking down at it, he's like, I'm self-conscious about it because there's just no muscle there. And but at least he can do a 30 and well, 2 30-minute motos. And he was asked about, if he can do or how he thinks SMX is going to be. He's like, it might even be better. 220s is better than 230s, and he's probably not wrong. It's not going to be as hot, well, technically depending on where it is, but I don't know. That's not the point of this. The point is, I'm excited that he's going to get a ride. Now the question becomes, is it the sort of 450 mentor ride on Star Racing for Deegan, who he has a pretty good relationship with? Is it to Beta, like with the extra seat that they've got? Or is it a Suzuki? Maybe, who knows? That's the question. I'd like comments down below. Down below. You guys tell me. Where do you think he goes? I'm excited that he gets a 2 year ride. I mean, for all the time he spent in the 250s, bouncing up and down, doing the fill in ride for Honda, he never really got the championship chance for a lot of years. Then he got his, chance on the Star Racing Yamaha, won his 250 title, moved up, and then this is where all the bad happened. I don't know. Obviously, it's going to be a different team, so he's going from Husky steel frame to it's going to be something else. It's not going to be KTM. It's not going to be a gas. Let's be honest. So probably back to, Yamaha or a Japanese brand, somebody else, or maybe Beta. I don't know. Like I said, I think it'd be a great move for him, or for him and for Beta, just to have a consistent rider that knows what he's talking about, could help develop the bike, and just be, kind of the old man in the seat to help bring it forward. Help Jalik Swoll, whoever they bring in for the 250 ride alongside him, kind of mentor those guys. I think it'd be good for them and the team. But like I said, comment down below. You tell me. Where do you think he's going? Do you know where he's going? If you heard something or some rumors, whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.